Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate options trading with Charles Schwab. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Charles Schwab account and log in. Navigate to the Trading tab in the main menu. Select Options from the drop-down list. Click on Trade Options to access the trading interface. Choose the underlying stock or ETF you want to trade options on. Set the desired expiration date for your options contract. Select the option strategy you wish to employ, such as buying calls or puts. Enter the number of contracts you want to trade. Specify your limit price if necessary for the trade. Review the risk profile of your selected strategy. Access the automated trading feature in the platform. Set your conditions for triggering trades, such as price thresholds or technical indicators. Input your desired trade size and the maximum loss you are willing to accept. Confirm the order parameters to ensure everything is accurate. Click on Submit to activate your automated trading strategy. Monitor your account regularly to ensure everything is functioning as expected. Adjust your strategy as needed to align with market changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.